Philippines has a good history. According to our geography, Manila is the capital city, docking point from the other country. Metro Manila, Quezon City, Caloocan, Pasay, Makati, Marikina, Pasig, Saputi, Malabon, Las Piñas, Parañaque,
From the north, Batanes, Apare, Ilocos Sur, Ilocos Norte, Isabela, Cagayan Valley, Mountain Province, La Union, Baguio City, Nueva Ecija, Nueva Vizcaya, Tarlac, Pangasinan, Pampanga, Zambales, Bataan, Abra, Bulacan, Cavite, Batangas, Laguna.
Southern Luzon, Camarines, Norte Quezon, Albay, Camarines Sur, Catanduanes, Masbate, Sorsogon.
And we had real and smart Mindoro, Marinduque, Romblon, then down to Visayas Shore, famous of best sugar, coconut and corn.
Yeah, 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 yeah. Cebu, Mactan, Mandaue,
Ay, 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 Bohol, Samarlite,
ay, yeah, 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 yeah. Iloilo, Capiz, Aklan, Antique, Palawan, Negros, Bacolod, City Hall, Dumaguete.
Now let's go to the land of promise,
The land of Mindanao,
Bukidnon, Zamboanga, Misamis, Mambabutuan, Agusan, Surigao,
Iligan, Osamis, and the three provinces of Davao, Davao Sur, Oriental, del Norte, Cotabato, Lanao, Solo, Tawi-Tawi.
Ay, 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 Philippines has a great history.
Ay, yeah, 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 yeah. Manila is the capital city. Ay, yeah, 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 yeah. All tourists are invited to see. According to our geography,
Philippines is
a beautiful country. Thank you, Sablay.